I don't think people understand just how epic Alaska can be. Let's change that. Picture this. After nearly a month of exploring Alaska's untouched beauty, my friend's crew finally hit the jackpot. A cozy hotel with long, warm baths and soft beds. But the adventure didn't stop there. They soared over Alaska's stunning mountains, glaciers, and wildlife on a thrilling helicopter flight-seeing tour. Imagine seeing towering peaks and vast ice fields from above. It's pure magic. And just when you think it couldn't get better, they took a dip in a natural hot spring. Surrounded by serene nature, they soaked in the rejuvenating warmth, melting away all their fatigue. As their month-long expedition comes to an end, they're heading home with countless happy memories. From bonding over shared experiences to discovering new places, these moments are treasures they'll carry forever. So if you're a travel enthusiast, don't just dream it, live it. Alaska is calling and it's time to answer.